What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we're heading up to Carson Coffee. Just waiting on Ferg right now to get ready. We're supposed to have another guy come with us, Jesse. Unfortunately, his car broke down, so he's not gonna be able to make it. Jesse, big shout out to you, man. I hope everything with the car is cool and we can cruise some other time, bro. But right now, like I said, we're going to hey, when I say we're gonna wait for Ferg to get ready and we're gonna hit this Carson Coffee. Oh, one other thing. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's not impossible, so let's just get it. Share the videos, all that stuff, man. I appreciate everybody for tuning in, watching the videos. I definitely want to go off-roading in his Jeep. I haven't been like off-roading in years, man, so that'd be fun to do that again. I need that in my life. Not the Jeep, just the experience. It's nice, it's got these new wheels on here. It looks really, really good, man. And I'm sure he's loving this shit. He's been talking about this for such a long time, getting these wheels, and he got them. So happy for my dude. Dang, GT3RS. Shitting on me right now, bro. You get my money up. I need that car. I need it. Just made it out here, Carson Coffee. Nsx is showing out here, man. Showing out. So many of them too. Yeah, this is the one right here, bro. Bro, this thing is sick. The Meisters on it. And he got a blower too. This is done right.
I want to say it's on bags. I don't see it right around yet.
No, he's got to be on bags. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. This thing, bro, I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the hardest cars here.
Nsx is how I want to do it, dude.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. I saw some of them like the USDM versions for 100K. Are they high?
Yeah.
This is one I wouldn't mind doing auto, and I would just swap them all over and swap them myself. I like the
Forged carbon.
Forged, is that what it's called?
Yeah, forged carbon.
Oh yeah.
Look, he's got the Pikachu face on it.
Yeah. Because I was wondering why they were having those are stock wheels. This shit's kind of hard for
stock wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are nice.
I don't know why you got the
I need to check out the
GoPro for. You're not about that life.
It looks like it goes to the track.
Yeah.
It's probably what it's for. He probably does the
I mean,
the 360 cam shit. Yeah. Bro, these wheels.
He's got the superior motor in there, that's why.
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking filter, dude.
I saw a
You got?
huh?
The filter's like a fucking fire extinguisher. It's still huge.
There was a last time there was a G35 LS swap with the turbo in it.
G35?
Yeah.
You said G or 35?
G35. Yeah, this, I would not mess with this car ever. Light, LS, turbo, stickies in the back. Nah, I'm good.
That's a big precision.
Yeah, that's huge. That's what you need.
Dude, this band's so weird.
I saw this when I was here last time, bro. This thing is so nice.
Do they come supercharged?
No, he added that. They're actually aspirated. These things have like no ABS, no traffic control. It's like, you really have to drive this motherfucker.
I only read the first part. It's like, why is it fastanal.com? And I read the rest. I'm like, oh, that's a weird website.
Know what you're into, bro. I actually like this green. I like that a lot. It's an R8. I think so. I think it's a stock color. McLaren. It's so nice.
I always go through a Viper phase.
These things are freaking nice though, bro.
I like how the old ones and the new ones, they kept like a lot of them.
Yeah, same body style.
Yeah, I like the Beam more and more than I see it. I'm not gonna lie.
This is like a German Corvette, bro. Like the engine sits behind the front wheels, dude. It's
Watch your mouth. Any German Corvette?
It ain't good
Corvette
prices. But no, like you can get like a used one of these for like 80, like a base model, but they're still fast.
Bro, if I was gonna spend 80 on these ones, I'll get an already. Like 60.
Got the carbon on here. God damn, this thing's freaking hot, bro.
Bro,
Look from here.
I got no right to hate because I can't afford one, but I really don't like Ferraris. It's like a few.
I can understand that. I can get
This
it.
is nice. This is very nice.
Yeah. I like these Ferraris more. I like the old ones with the gated shifters.
Facts.
I remember I used to go to the arcade and I used to play that Ferrari simulator.
Exactly what you talking about.
It's not the one.
This is a P1. Pretty sure. No, or a 720?
It's probably a 720.
No, it's a 600 LT.
600 LT. This thing is nice
Tell you
though.
the truth, I can't really tell the difference between most fucking.
Me either. But I'm not gonna lie to you. I did enter the 80/80 thing to win one of these. I bought like a little keychain, like $5.
You know damn well they're gonna look. This nigga only bought one keychain ever from us. Fucking. Oh, you bought 30 shirts? All right, boom.
Imagine if I won though.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
Yo,
RS7. I'll definitely like these cars.
I guess you just have to get here early.
Yeah.
Dude, that's the old Viper. Jesus. That's like childhood video game Viper.
Yeah. What was that game at the CC's Pizza? Cruising USA? The Viper? That's the rolling death trap right there.
Yeah, this is the ones that you see go off the cliff.
Yeah.
But they're nice, man.
They are.
I realize it's an old dude thing that they got driving gloves on.
Yeah. I get it though, cause like when I drive, like when we're doing the Zuzu Canyon, like my hands are getting sweaty.
Really?
Yeah. So I get it.
You run this at all?
What's up?
Run this at all?
Wait, say it again? Oh, do I run it at all? No, it's the cars.
The parts are expensive, dude.
But,
Drive it to brakes and fucking do it all over again.
yeah, until you break something, you gotta pay for it.
Dude, I know the life. It's part of it. Wonder where you found those fittings from, because the shits are sold out everywhere.
Oh yeah, you got the AM fittings.
No, I mean, I run it sometimes. Last night I did. With like, my buddies, Russo and stuff. He's like, but no, I don't race it. Can't afford it.
105 on his plate. His plate 105.
I read that completely different. My mind doesn't work like that. I read that shit way different.
10F5. That's how you
Wait a
read it?
minute, no. This is no. Is this a? I'm trying to see if that's a window down there. It's not. This is not a Senate. I think.
No. If it was a Senate, he had like 5 spots to himself.
The thing is though, the
Shit's
Senna
clean.
is way cleaner than the fucking P1, but the P1 is more of a price tag.
One day I'll have this much money.
If I did though,
Ferrari. Oh, those are nice.
I'm wondering what kind of wheels those are.
I have no idea. Probably something very fucking expensive.
You know what I've been appreciating a lot?
Yeah, nice. Very nice.
Shorthand.
Miata.
Before the Miata, or did you? Yeah, it's a stock one. I just
Thing is clean, man.
shaved off on it.
Got the carbon roof.
Shuttle, vacuum ports.
Fitting in check. Okay. Nice. This thing is probably fast as hell on the track.
Look at the meats. Look at the meats.
This is clean, bro. It's probably my favorite meat I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Real talk.
For sure. Dude, I really like that.
The roof?
No, the whole.
The tracks?
I need
Is that an M3? This is not.
You saw the one that Gary posted, that dude was selling?
No, I didn't see that.
Yeah, one of his boys was selling for 6K. Clean. Yes.
Bro, this is so nice. So nice.
It is.
Great-grandfather.
It's like not clapped out. It's done well. Pretty sure he's on bags. It's got to be.
What's up with this Xavier Wolf sticker? Like, everybody fucking the top one.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's like a Cali thing.
I think it's because like he reps for the car scene.
Does he?
Yeah, and he has like he'll get like people in his
No,
yeah.
I'm still waiting for more parts to
That's pretty good. It's pretty good.
I'm gonna have to look at this because I see motherfuckers rocking that shit everywhere. No. I'm like, no.
You see a lot in LA, bro. Like every dude in LA has one of those. With the carbon fiber. It's very nice. Dang, he's even got it around the lights too.
Not always.
Is it PPF though?
What?
It's carbon? If it's not, bro, he's wild. It is. You can see it's coming up right there.
That's the PPF?
Yeah. I think it's PPF.
No, that just looks like the
clear coat?
Yeah, the clear of the carbon clip.
You got a carbon roof too?
You know, I just had a flashback too. Like when we're looking at that.
What?
That dude who came back. What are you guys looking at? Your car, dickhead.
It's a salvage Ferrari right here, bro.
Fuck with the wood.
Pain in the ass to work on.
I feel like this is probably like a 40 to 60 grand pickup.
I would give it 40. I would get it. Shit.
I would get it and make it like. I'll make it different.
Hey, get it. Put the RB in it.
But then again, you gotta watch.
You will get on your finger.
We're swapping their cars.
Huh?
We're swapping their cars.
We're doing anything that discredits the Ferrari name. You sending out.
Bro, imagine you put an RB in the back of that, bro.
That'd be a waste of space and a waste of fucking.
No, it wouldn't be great, bro.
Nah, dude, you gotta learn, bro. RBs are just top boy motors.
Or a 2J.
You gotta learn that LS is the way. I bought it.
Going to the nice guys right now. About to get some vegan food. You know how we do it. Oh yeah, let me get my face condom real quick. Get my order right now. Last time you got the bacon. Just gonna wrap this one up. Cars are back here. One thing I want to do is I want to get this car protected because it needs it. This morning when I was wiping the car down before the meet, I noticed a bunch of little areas where there's like little chips, like right here, like you see like the rocks in the road. I think there's another one, let's see, right there. So I want to get this car like ceramic coated and stuff like that, and I also need to get this fixed anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit up one of the local detail shops down here to see if they got time to squeeze the car in this week so I can go ahead and get that knocked out. And I want to do one other thing too to the car. And Ferg, you can't spoil it for him. If you do, I'm gonna delete your comment. But I just need to get this car protected, man, because I'm gonna be taking it to the track anyway. I'm not gonna get it PPF just yet because I'm gonna wait for my carbon front lip to come. I mean, I haven't ordered it yet, but when I'm ready to order it, I'm gonna wait for that. And then I will get the whole front of the car PPF, including the mirrors. So hopefully this week I can get that done. I also need to get the valve covers put in. I just been being a little lazy on that. And yeah, everything's cool, man. There's one other thing. Hey, listen, look, I don't mind if you guys like see me on the road, you say what's up, I say what's up back, but everything has its limits. You know what I'm saying? Everything gotta have its limits. Do not ever try to follow me into like where I live at, because I'm not gonna greet you with kindness. Anywhere outside of where I live at, cool. If you live in here and you see me, cool. But if you don't live in here, I don't know you, and you're following me into my place, I'm not even playing the game with you. You know what I'm saying? It's all love, it's all good. But at the same time, I gotta protect myself, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know what your intentions are, especially a lot of times, because people will roll up real fast, and then they're gonna slow down, and they're gonna look at you. That's exactly what happened. Somebody tried to follow me into where I live at, and I was not happy about it. So do not do that. You know, it's not cool. But other than that, you guys have a good one. If you guys like these videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.